Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the language in LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From here, make sure you are in the Gameplay tab. Here at the top is the Language section. Here you can change the text language by simply opening this drop-down menu and selecting one of the available language packs. Let's say I want to change the language to German. I can simply select it, and as you can see, it automatically changes all text to German. You don't need to even confirm the changes. There is also the option to change the speech language. There are a few different voice packs that you can choose from, and those languages being German, English, Spanish for Spain and Latin America, French, Italian, Japanese, Polish and Portuguese. There are many more languages for the text side, as you can see. Simply select the one you are most familiar with, and after that simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.